As I was strolling here in Tiburtina, a neighborhood in the far east part of Rome, I encountered this cool shop. I say, let's go and check it out, because it seems pretty cool. Let's see what they have here. It's a concept store where everything's frozen. The shop is just filled with freezers. You can find basically any food you can dream of in a frozen form, which to me is genius. So let's check it out. Let's see. So as you enter, of course, the first thing you see is frozen pasta dishes. And the variety is just incredible. So you have a cannoli filled with ricotta and cheese. You have lasagna. You have a melanzane alla parmigiana, which is the historic dish from the south of eggplants and parmesan cheese. All the classic Roman pastas, cacio e pepe, amatriciana. But here you have the more exotic options like gnocchi, also frozen risotto with seafruits. You have tagliatelle with mushrooms. So really all the pasta dishes you can dream of. And the prices are really reasonable. So a dish like this of 600 grams would cost you 2.5 euros. Here you have the oriental options. Frozen sushi, that's a first. And frozen fried rice, frozen gyozas. But now the cool part begins. This blows my mind. The next freezer is a freezer of mushrooms. Just looking at this makes me hungry. Frozen porcini mushrooms. Just look at those beautiful babies. Just look at them. This is just, it's delicious. Put it in the pan, some cheese, some tagliatelle, and you have amazing pasta dishes. The prices are a bit pricier, but the prices are a bit higher, about 18 euros per kilogram, because porcini mushrooms are still pretty expensive. Next, we have the seafood stand. This is a mix for risotto. And here you have the shrimps, the calamari, and even little clams. And all those are different mixes, basically of seafood. This is coglio, which is another classic Italian mix of seafood. And here you have shrimps with various vegetables, with beans, and of course with zucchini, which is also very delicious. And here you have a picture that shows how it can be served. And this is just a healthy option for dinner, right? It's healthy, no calories, just shrimps and zucchini. Delicious and healthy option for your dinner. Moving on. Here you have more seafood options, surimi, pasta with clams, surimi, shrimps, risotto, and salmon. This is a fridge of clams, which is mind-blowing. You have here frozen clams from many kinds, all kinds of tartar steaks from tuna fish. But just look at those clams. This is just amazing. I've never seen so many frozen options. And here you have the squids, all kinds of squids, frozen for those who like squids. Prices are very reasonable, 19.90 per kilo for this squid. Calamari, 15.80. And here, oh my god, this is the Clam Freezer, guys, where you will find all the clams you can think of. Wow. So you can either take them, only the heart of the clam, already made for you, for 8.95 euros. You have the clam with the shell, without the shell, all the clam options. And this is a kind of a clam cannoliki. I have no idea what the hell this thing is even, but apparently people eat that. And here you have cut to pieces squid, and calamari, and another squid, and another squid. And here you have the squids ready for barbecue. This is a barbecue ready with squid, squid, shrimps, and again all kinds of squid options. Wow. And now we reach, this blows my mind, guys. This is mind-blowing. You have an entire freezer department only for shrimps. Are you ready? Okay, so here it is. So you have small shrimp, bigger shrimp, even bigger shrimp. This isn't officially a shrimp, it's more of a, it's another kind of a creature that lurks on the face of the ocean. Another kind of shrimp, another kind of shrimp. The shrimp with the shell, shrimp with the tail, giant shrimps. Just look at this. And yet another shrimps, so big shrimps, entire shrimps without the head, decapitated, and even bigger shrimps. Those are, I don't really know what they are. Here you can buy a box of shrimp, and this creature, oh, what is this? Aragosta reale. This looks menacing. Oh man, I've never tried it, but yeah, looks pretty good to me. And here you have the barbecue options with the classic fiore di zucca, which is the flower of the zucchini filled with cheese and fillets of fish. Wow, so many options. And again, this is a very classic Italian thing, which is the roasted frittata, which is mashed potatoes, balls of mashed potatoes with various fillings. Some are with it. This is with zucchini. This is with seafood. This is with salmon. Supplì, which is also a kind of arancini, traditional Roman dish. And yeah, and here is the shrimp with the topping waiting to be fried. And last but not least, we come to the best part, which is the desserts. Yes, you also have frozen desserts, frozen cakes, of course, the frozen tiramisu options, frozen cannellini, frozen traditional cakes. It's really, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. So basically, if you want to stack your freezer and have food for the week or for the month in really reasonable prices, this place offers you just a huge variety, and to me it's very convenient. I mean, if I would live here, I would definitely check it out and make good use of it, because you can make really amazing food with frozen ingredients. So what do you think, guys? Did you like the shop? What did you like about it, and what would you buy from all this variety? Let me know down in the comments, and see you on the next one.